Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to talk about the Pantone Color of the Year for 2025. I believe this is my third year doing this. I'm going to create a playlist. But I was loving the fact that Pantone chose the color Mocha Mousse. I love brown. My favorite color is black. And my second color, especially on the face, is brown with that whole tan, smoky eye. I love a good brown lip, so I'm looking forward to putting a makeup look together. I had fun going through my stash to pick colors that I thought would represent the mood. So I hope that sounds like fun. Let's get into it. I do have my base on, my foundation, my brows, my concealer. So I'm going to start with bronzer, and I had to pick this one from RMS. This is my current favorite bronzer. This is the Redimension Hydra Bronzer. I did a video, I believe in December, where I featured a lot of these products, and I have not put them in my favorites and fails, but spoiler alert, this is a favorite. I have really dug into this pan, and not only do I love the shade tan lines, I love the formula. I also love the founder of RMS. She is a fantastic makeup artist, and I love watching her videos about placement of bronzer, about her theory of how bronzer should hit the high points of your face. So instead of going down, you go across. That was a game changer for me. I have liked my bronzer better ever since. So I focus here on my big old forehead. I tap a little bit here and I focus on the nose, and I can go heavy with this, and it just looks like I've come in from the sun. It does have a little bit of a glow, but not too much. For blush, I have not played with this fave in a long time. This is the e.l.f. Powder Blush Palette. I used to have the dark version. I think only the light version exists now. You can find this anywhere. Of course, I'll have everything that I'm using listed and linked in the description box below, which some are affiliate links. So if you shop with those links, it does support my channel because I make a small commission, and I thank you for doing that. I love all the shades, but I'll go in with this neutral one because it's a sort of a peachy brown. For the bronzer, I used the JennDBeauty Angled Blush Brush. And for the blush, I'm using my Morphe A32. This is the detail setting from Jasmine, and I'm just gonna sort of blend that blush into my concealer. I'm gonna do my lips next, and I was looking through my lipstick drawer for the perfect favorite brown shade that I have, and then I realized in my testing bin that I have, very recently I tried the Glamlite and Willy Wonka collection, and their Willy Wonka lip kit, oh, perfect for this look. So I'll start with the liner, and then the lovely mocha brown lip color. This is matte-ish. And then I haven't decided if I want the gloss, because I think I might just keep this a all over matte look, but I still want you to see this beautiful milky chocolate gloss. It's really beautiful, and it smells good. For the eyes, I have already primed them. I used my Ulta Matte Veil eyeshadow primer, and for the palette, what I chose was this from Beauty Bay. This is their neutral 16 color palette. I checked to see if this was still available. I've had this for a while. Not only is it available, it is on sale. You get a nice mirror, and here is the palette. Beauty Bay's formula is gorgeous. Creamy mattes, popping shimmers, affordable. So I thought this, with this color story, it would be perfect. I'm gonna start with this Spectrum A28, and I'm gonna go into this bottom color here. And I'm just going to drag this along the lash line. I'm kind of trying something new. My fingers are crossed that this look comes together. But that's what's fun about makeup, right? It washes off at the end of the night. Now I am wiping the brush off on my pants. And I'm going to go into a lighter color, like this one here called Canyon. And I'm going to go right above that and sort of take that one up a little bit further into the crease. And this brush is nice because it's flat and fluffy at the same time. I've taken that up pretty far. I'm going to take that Canyon and go underneath, just utilizing this brush. Just really getting up in there and staying there for a minute. I'll take this ColourPop E19 with a hair on it. And now I'm going to go into Cowboy, which is a nice dark mocha. And I'm going to go back over that lash line because I want a little more drama. And I'm just going to hang out there for a minute. These are just light buffing motions, but I feel that it will blur it and smoke it out. I'm almost on top of my lashes. Back in with that Cowboy, same brush, and again, but now I'm going to go even higher on the lashes, basically hitting those bottom lashes. I'm going to go back into that Spectrum and back into that Canyon and just go over that lid again. Now I'm just using tapping motions. I love this Canyon shade. I do want to add a little bit of drama on the edge, so I'll go into this JennDBeauty E05 and then I'll go down into Jet. And I'm going to very strategically place this black, building up that outer edge, doing it at a slight angle just for that lift. It should be wider out here and thinner in here. I would typically have done my eyes first just for the purpose of this video. I put my face on, so I'm being extra careful because I don't want fallout. Now I'll take my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smoky, and this is in Smoky Black, and I'm gonna line all around the edge of my eye, including my tight line and my waterline. And I always recommend smudging a black liner to create a softer look. So I picked this one because not only is it a good liner, it has a built-in smudger. Just gonna do one eye at a time. So now I have the liner on and I'm gonna go back into this palette and I'll go back into Cowboy to smudge it out even further. JennDBeauty E05. I want more, so E18, back into that dark Cowboy, and then go underneath again. I just want it down a little bit further. There it is. So you could put mascara on this more dramatic eye and be good there, or you could have it a nice soft eye. I'm going for dramatic today, so I'll do this one off camera and I'll be right back. I'm back. I reached the level of smokiness that I wanted. I do want to put a little bit of white in my inner corner, so I'm going to use this Zoeva 230, and I'm going to use this Twig shade. No matter how smoky, I feel like you still need a little bit of bright in that inner corner. Time for mascara. I'll be using my Sephora collection Love the Lift. This was in my yearly favorites. Nice skinny wand, can really be built up nicely. Elf lash extender on the bottom. What a good combo. I have to say, I love this eye look. It's smoky, definitely encompassing the Mocha mousse vibe. And I decided I do want gloss. I love it when a gloss goes all over with one dip. This is the completed look. I hope you had some fun. Have you played with your Mocha makeup? How do you feel about Pantone's color of the year? I personally love it. I think it's a great choice. I want to see that 90s brown Mocha matte look come back. Yes, please. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought, or just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. Thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.